Alright, this is going to be a test video of the Harbor Freight air horns. I don't have a switch hooked up, so I'm just going to run it, just tap it to the battery real quick. Wire up the switch today. I'm going to go to school soon, so I don't have time. But show you where the air horns are mounted. Just woke up, so. Right there, where are they? I don't know, they're down here more. Alright, there's water in my bumper. There they are. Alright, so I got them mounted under there. I got the compressor there. So, I guess I'll set this right here. Did you hear that? That scared me. Ready? Do it one more time. Alright. So there's the air horns. Yeah, $15. Pretty good. Alright, let's do it one more time. This time, I'll put the camera down here. I'll just lay it up like that. Okay. Alright, so that's how the air horns sound. Pretty loud. Alright, thanks for watching.